Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing on a new pair of binoculars I picked up from a company called Avalon Optics. These were actually given to me from my wife for Christmas. I told her I wanted a small compact pair of binoculars that were just easy to grab if I'm wanting to do some birding or go hiking or just anything in the outdoors. I do a lot of just walking, and we have parks around us and these wildlife reserves, and so I wanted something that I could just grab and go. It wasn't going to take up a lot of space and add a lot of bulk to what I was carrying. Anyway, I don't know a whole lot about the company. I'll just show you the packaging. Again, this is the 8x32 model. They do say that they're made in China. I've actually used a lot of optics made in China and Japan. I've never had really any issues with any of them. So I know a lot of people will say, with optics, you want to get the European glass and that sort of thing. That's not what I was going for here. I wanted something that was just good quality, wasn't going to break the bank, that I could use and just, beat around in and not worry about if something happens to them that I'm out of a ton of money. Avalon Optics, I think the company is based out of Ohio somewhere. They come with a little cleaning cloth, a little bit of information on them. They do come with a neck strap, kind of your traditional style neck strap. It does have the name on it, which is kind of a nice touch. And then we'll take a look at the optics. Carry case. The carry case is Velcro style. It does have a belt loop in the back of it, which is again a nice touch if you want to strap them to your belt or hook them onto a backpack or something like that, hiking bag. And again, what I did like about these binoculars, and she's really the one who did all the homework on them and found them, is you can tell the size is perfect. You want to throw them in your jacket, just walk around and carry them. It's very easy to do. They easily fit into the palm of your hand. And I like the white color. They'll be easy to grab if I'm in low light conditions or out in the woods or something. I'm not going to have to dig around if I sit them on the ground and figure out where they are with them blending in. So I kind of like that color. It's just different. Eye covers are kind of your traditional eye covers with a little bit of a bend at the center part of it, so they're easy to get on and off. It does have 3-position eye relief. You've got your focus on the right side. Center focus knob is nice and smooth. It's got a good groove on it to where it's, with one hand you can easily grip it, or if you're wearing gloves, that sort of thing. That shouldn't be a problem if you want to grip it and get everything into focus. Nice looking pair of binoculars. And again, I love the size, love the color. They feel like they're made really well. They do have a little thumb groove in the back, so they're nice and comfortable when you're holding them. Your front eyepiece covers just fold down. So what I'll do is, this was more of just a first look at them, unboxing. As I use them and put them to the test, I'll do a little bit of a follow-up and talk a little bit more about the pros and cons of them. But so far, they're exactly what I wanted, just something nice and small and compact, different than what I own. And again, from what I can tell, they look pretty nice for the price. So if you have any questions about this unboxing, feel free to reach out and ask questions. I'd be happy to help. If the video helps you out, I'd love for you to like or subscribe. But again, I'll definitely do a follow-up and let you know what my thoughts are on these once I get them out and put them to the test. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.